Spice tells why she and Shenseea did not do a song, and also she talk about her ex-dancers.
TC especially, she, everything she call me. Gracie! Gracie!
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic.
Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Big up all of my YouTube family. Hope everyone is doing good out there today. You see me and say. But people, I know some know what go on in the media. I know some say the live with Spice. But you know might see different piece. So me I come show you the part where me have also. Right? So another little part, you know, Spice talk about the reason why she and Shenseea did not do a song. She said they go all the way to plan the song. Shenseea had a whole plan of what she wanted to do and Spice like it. She was about to do it, but she hear talking and going behind her back. So she decides say no, she not go through with it. So I go play the little piece of you so you can hear what Spice says. So here goes, take a listen.
But every time I go somewhere, I want the main question that everybody asks me. When me go, why me not? First of all, the big belly man make me not do a song with her. Because the man used to walk and badmouth me all about and talk all kind of things and say all kind of things will come back to me. So right this way it starts from why the song never end up doing because song did for do. The song did for do. But you see, like, I want to keep on ask about that one something, yeah? I want to keep on come on the life. I want to bring up people when I don't want to bring with me for the rest of my life. I just talk when I talk and done because you know, so when I talk, I just start my mind and finish up. I'm not really respond, I just start. Look at energy. And remember, say, I don't have long way all plan. The girl come with a good idea. And she said she have an idea and ray. And I did want to do the song and everything, but I never have no luck. I remember I did do one song with the wing one, you know, with the one with the two big wing. And remember I do everything and pay me $250,000, $250,000 for do video and them throw down the house for my neck, back nearly broke my neck. So me just stay out of the bad energy, because I say I come with a little bad energy. When I have a thing when I come like say, when I come compare and compete. Me not depend on something that we do not.
So people me know say no know say a lot more than that was said. She say a bunch of things. You see what I say? And they all over the net. Me know see some of it. Unfortunately, me not have all of it. But some of the other things that was Spicy that talk about, she had talk about the fact that, you know what I mean, her dancer them, her ex-dancer them, you know, then learn a lot from her. And them supposed to, she said she was very hard on them where, you know what I mean, forget them for do the right thing, for themselves. So if them left our camp and never successful like we know they are successful now, then something wrong. And she has say a whole heap of thing when she teach them, she knows say them are going to carry over with them and nobody now going to just take them for fool and take them for swaps like that. But you know, she attack and she say a lot of things, people. She say a lot about a lot. She talk about Vibes Cartel, Bounty Killer, all of the people them will give her advice and give her strength in the past also. I'm going to tell you know what she say about that at the end of the video. But let's take a listen to what she have to say about her dancers. So here goes.
I have nothing but love for them girl, and if me never love them couldn't hurt me. If me never love them, me and them could have still attack right now because it's just certain things that never sit well with me or what me never expect. TC especially, she, everything she call me. Gracie! Me say the girl come like ambulance. Make nice and me ears man. Everything. Gracie. And then she go open her mouth and say, Gracie, me know you hate me. Me, TC? Me? Me will show you so much love. YouTube, I got twist this up. Make them take it and twist it and turn it any which part them want to take it. Because sometimes I want to know if them not post me over YouTube. If them not feel good. And it can burn me. If you see them put the things them in the heading, in the big heading, spice this and spice that when not no gossa. Not no gossa. But at the end of the day, I just want to say, like I say, wish them all the best and maybe I hope and pray before I close my eyes, say, rebel especially. You know? Cause a girl, she can't. I want him with her, she can tell her the truth. So you never know, maybe before I close my eyes, then will come see whatever mistake they make or how it go. But alright, they say this, so when you don't see me come back on live, nobody come ask me nothing. Nobody come ask me nothing. Somebody said it's reach over pink wall already. You see, me have a story if you talk about pink wall. But I tell myself I'm not ready to talk about it yet. I tell myself, say, I want to think me gonna talk about pink wall and that, you know. And something weird different, something weird deeper. Something with a shock, you know. Something with a surprise about. And I'm a pink wall and I'm run a page. So but I left go say Spice say she a pink wall. But something about pink wall, one of that really be surprised to know. I'm gonna keep the secret with me a little longer. Because I tell myself one day I would have loved to share a pink wall do to me. Anyway, big up on yourself. I'm gonna eat my food because I'm gonna eat up my food right now. I'm gonna take me out of my dinner. I'm gonna come on life have fun with you know. Somebody say, yeah, breed. Me not breed. You don't hear me say me dey on diet. You don't stop call down baby pan me. I'm not pregnant. You don't hear me say me dey on diet.
Yeah, so when I hear Spice say she not pregnant, even though she said she want twins, said we. Me always hear she say she want twins. So people, some of the other things what she there talk about now, she say Vibes Cartel. She meet Vibes Cartel, not meet, but the two of them talk backstage at a show at Guyana. That's where the first song come together. So I don't really meet. Then they already know each other. But Vibes Cartel tell her, say, you know what, we have the same fan base. We're supposed to, you know, me could do a song. And then she said a few days later, Cartel link her with Ramping Shot. Him write the whole thing and just tell her how to deal with it. And the two of them do it. Big successful song. And she has said she have a lot more song with Vibes Cartel where unreleased. Whole heap of music. She said also Ninja Man, you know what I mean, call her up on stage when she young like that. We know that video there. Also Bounty Killer tell her say she gonna be the next queen of the dancehall when she did way young. And she says she just use that to her advantage and she just make it just motivate her and she never stop, right? But people she talk about a bag of things. She going. I mean, no so wanna see a lot of it because some people catch different part and some people have put emphasis on different parts. So some people might post some part and not post the other part. But me I tell her, she say the things them about Shenseea. She said about her dancer, but she also said other things about her music. Her album a come said way. She's supposed to celebrate. She say what she fi do. You know what I mean? Her song have a trend for 5 weeks. So of course she a go celebrate. She glad it never happened before. You know what I mean? It never happened to her and she say it never happened in a dance hall. And she talk about the authentic views again. Right? So she say, you know, she can't do nothing but celebrate. So people, me just go now run down a feeling from that, you know, if me if post the whole video, it's like probably 20-30 minutes. So me just have to tell you know most of what go on. Right? So wanna big up on yourselves, stay safe out there. I'm out.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yeah, they.